Derek here today, bringing you another episode of Building Blucifer. I want to welcome you guys back to the channel, and if you watched the last episode, then you know this is finally leading up to that. I'm scared. Dang. Oh my god. That looks so good, doesn't it?
I just need quad tips.
I know, I just need the quad tips. And if you haven't watched it, click the card right up here, go watch it, then come back. Make sure you come back though, don't bail on me. Anyways guys, so as you can see, we have Jordan here. I have myself wearing the same clothes. Okay, yeah, we got a confession to make. So when Jordan and I just installed this valance in the last episode of Building Blucifer, we have the quads, we sure do. I didn't want to show them yet because I figured that was a video alone, just because not many people might know, not many people might know. How the fuck? Dude, I'm like out of it right now. Not many people might know how to install a valance, so I figured that would be a good little video on its own. And then we're gonna follow it up with my quad tips. Can I get a hype horn?
What?
Alright guys, I know what you're waiting for. You wanna see what quad tips I went with, and you know, probably the thumbnail of this video already gave that away, but here they are. Come to me. Alright guys, so recently I picked up some Corsa Extreme black quad tips, and I am beyond excited to run these things. Now these actually came off my buddy Chase's car. Go ahead and throw a photo up on the screen right now. He was very cool to let me buy these off of him, and you know, that's exactly what I wanted. So you know, I'm really excited about it. And yeah, thank you Chase if you're watching this. And by the way guys, go show his Instagram some love. Check out his car, it's absolutely gorgeous. And his girlfriend has an awesome Mustang too, so go check out hers as well. So this is what we'll be installing today guys. As you know, I do have the Roush axle backs on the car, and by far it's probably one of my favorite exhaust notes. The Roush axle backs, they did such a wonderful job with them. It's just, you know, I wanted to run quad tips, and Jordan here might be, you know, making something happen with Roush quad tip. I don't know, but I didn't want to go that route. It was definitely an option, but the way I looked at it is for the price of these that I got used, and keeping those and then getting quad tips, getting them welded, powder coated in black and stuff, because I want black tips, I would have been about the same ballpark. So I figured I'd pick up some Corsas and really piss my neighbors off. It won't piss them off now, but it will, trust me. So guys, first things first, we are gonna have to get the car jacked back up, put the jack stands on, get underneath the car. We're probably gonna loosen the mid pipe when it comes to, you know, adjusting the length, the height of the tips, and then, you know, you sit there and tighten them down so it stays. So we're gonna loosen that. We're gonna take the Roushes off because my buddy Shane is actually buying the Roushes, so those are already sold. And I know many of you guys already emailed me and messaged me, DM'd me and all that, wanting to buy them. They're already sold, guys. I do appreciate that. Yeah, Shane was in the video. How many videos was that? Like 3 videos ago or something? Yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead, get this thing jacked up, and let's begin this process.
Still good on that side?
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, we're good. Alright guys, so the car is now back on the jack stands. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our cardboard. It's like peeking right there. We're gonna go ahead, get underneath there, rip out the Roush axle backs, set those to the side, and we're gonna just see if we can slide those in. Probably not though, it's kind of tricky on some of these. We're just gonna wing it, we're gonna figure it out as we go, and we're gonna get these quad tips all mounted up. Alright, so we're gonna rip off the driver's side first.
13mm for the clamp.
We can get this clamp down. So we got our clamp off, and it is held in by 3 hangers. We have 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna go ahead and spray some probably like WD-40 in these hanger slots, just so we can lube it up a little bit, pull this out, and we'll do the same on this side. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this one ripped out first. Well guys, I'm now picking this up on the SONY. My Canon just seen its last days. It was sitting right next to me when I was unbolting the muffler, and I rolled to my side and I rolled on it and just completely destroyed it. There's a bunch of rocks in there, it won't close. Yeah, I don't know how vlogging is gonna be on this thing. I'm gonna have to get something ASAP, but that sucks. Anyway, we are gonna continue with this removal. Which one you think? Oh, both.
Yeah, you have to take both out.
But yeah, guys, I can't complain at all. And I know many of you are probably wondering how much I got these Corsa quads for. I don't know if I mentioned it yet because I am picking this up later on in the week, but I did pay $600 for the Corsa. All right. And there's axle back number 2. Probably just got to do a lot of long angle shots, but we got the Roush mufflers off. I'm gonna set those aside for Shane. And now we're just gonna go ahead, take the Corsa quads, pop them in. Try to pop them in because this is gonna be a pain. I got a feeling. Yeah, we just got to adjust as we go. These sounds, they sound so good. Them for boost, exhaust note, it's pretty much everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I got some leftover supercharger oil from Blue. I'm just gonna go ahead, lube up this because this is a pain. There you go. Right hole. Right is up. Right, the top one's loose. You're scaring me, bro.
Dude, you can't
anticipation, bro.
You cannot go slow with it.
Alright.
Just get it up as high as you can. Up in there.
Okay, I'm in. You in?
Now push. There you go.
Oh, dude.
You don't have to lower nothing. Just lube it up, you're good. Easy install.
That's the easy side though. The first one we have accomplished. We just have to adjust. Just adjust, see how you can see this is super loose. We'll be able to, like, you know, fine point it, someone hold it. You know,
see how
torque
far
that
out
thing
he
down.
wants to stick it.
Yeah, I kind of like that, dude. The way it is.
So that's
like,
about perfect.
It's like perfect.
Perfect fitment.
Yeah.
I love
See,
that.
a lot of people have it sit out a little bit.
I like that.
For the letters
If you want-
to be
if you want
exposed.
That, yeah, then you do that.
We're gonna mess with that, but Jordan, you wanna grab that other one real quick?
No, I don't.
Watch your face.
One Corsa. Oh yeah, finger that bottle.
Bro, really?
Demonetized.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm still pissed about my camera, dude. That sucks.
Get her in there, boy.
It's stuck right here. In that bracket. The bracket. Yeah, there we go. There we go. What? No, you're good. You got it now. I just don't have any room to move. What's it stuck on? Alright, guys, so we just got the driver's one in. Pain in the ass, dude. I kind of like that.
Yeah.
Kinda. I don't know. Nah, I kind of like that. Just like that.
Yeah, like, see if we can get it. That looks dope.
Fuck myself on this one. It's not like a monkey trying to fuck football. It's little by little. Is it looking pretty even?
Yeah.
Shane, how's it looking from up there?
It looks good from up here.
Give it a shake. That ain't moving.
No. This one's more loose than that, I think. Oh no, that one's alright.
Alright, how does it look though?
Yeah, it looks fine.
Alright guys, Corsa quads are now installed. Those are such a pain in the ass. But for time being, I'm just going to leave them kind of flush with the diffuser. Just because I am going to be getting an aftermarket mid-pipe. Because we got to make this thing obnoxiously loud. We got the Corsa Extreme Quads on there now, which are going to be louder than just the Corsa Extremes because we're running 2 outlets. But yeah, I'm anxious. We're going to get this on the ground. We're going to start her up and we're going to see what she sounds like. So I'm going to let my side down first. Alright, I'm out.
Dropped it like a NASCAR.
I did like a millimeter maybe.
I know.
Anyway.
Some decks are fucking like that. Damn, dude, that was fucking fine. That's like perfect. Alright, now it's for the startup. Let's fucking start this shit up. I'm nervous. Why should it be like dumb quiet? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Jordan, give her a rev. What? That's kind of quiet. Kind of quiet right now. Alright, yeah, we definitely got to get rid of that mid-pipe and a resonator delete. But it's not bad.
Sounds good.
It's not bad. It sounds pretty good. It's a little quiet. Obviously, it's on stock resonator, stock H-pipe with cats. So I do plan on deleting the resonators and getting an off-road mid-pipe. I haven't decided exactly what I want to get, but that is definitely coming. It's gonna be ear piercing. There's no other way to put it. It will, in fact, be ear piercing. So I'm gonna enjoy it while it's quiet now and while I can actually leave at like 12 o'clock in the morning. Once it hits a certain time, I'm not gonna be able to fire this thing up because it's gonna wake the dead. We're actually gonna run to Shane's house because Shane is the one buying the Roush axle backs right here. And I'm gonna give the camera to somebody. We can get some rollers of the car, see how it sounds. All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I'm currently picking this up about 2 or 3 days later. I am joined with Andrew Peachy over here, and you know, he has this beautiful S550, and we're gonna go more into that in just a moment. So guys, Corsas are installed on Blucifer here. I absolutely love them. As I mentioned before, I am running the stock header, stock H-pipe with cats, and stock resonators, so you know, it's not as loud as I would like it. But for time being, I do have the quads, and they look amazing. And it sounds really good, honestly, for the rest of it being stock. It does sound very good. I can't complain about that.
Makes me giggle like a little girl, man.
Sounds so good, man.
Yes, it does.
Did you start it yet?
Hey, too bad. Fuck you. Alright guys, we are now back at the house, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Remember, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Static SN95. Thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you who want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP School to know your post. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to hashtag it's used it and boom, shout out. Well guys, Blucifer's currently gone, and we are going on a little trip, so stay tuned. I will be vlogging it. And yeah, but with that guys, we will see you Wednesday. But until next time, we'll see you later.